In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use PartnerStack's Partner Dashboard for reporting, so you can track and analyze your affiliate performance with ease. Whether you're new to PartnerStack or just looking to get more out of your reports, this video will walk you through everything you need to know in just a few minutes. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how you can access PartnerStack for free with some exclusive bonuses. When you first log into PartnerStack's Partner Dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is the clean and intuitive layout. Everything is organized for easy navigation, which is crucial when you're managing multiple affiliates or partners. Right at the top of your dashboard, you'll find key metrics like your total earnings, commissions, and active affiliates. This is where you'll quickly get an overview of how well your program is performing. Now, let's dive into reporting. PartnerStack offers a comprehensive reporting feature that allows you to track every aspect of your affiliate program. Under the Reports section, you can view detailed reports on conversions, payouts, and commissions. You can filter these reports by date ranges, affiliates, or specific campaigns, which makes it super easy to drill down into the details. The most important thing to note is that you can export these reports into CSV files, which allows you to analyze the data in depth, whether you're looking at trends or tracking specific affiliate performance. This is especially helpful if you want to make adjustments to your strategy or simply need to share reports with your team or stakeholders. PartnerStack also allows you to customize your reporting dashboard, meaning you can choose what metrics are most important for you to track at a glance. This customization helps streamline your workflow so you don't waste time scrolling through unnecessary data. For instance, if you want to focus on the number of active partners or specific affiliate campaigns, you can set your dashboard to show those insights first. If you're managing a large affiliate program, PartnerStack's reporting tools become even more valuable. You'll be able to see which affiliates are generating the most revenue, which campaigns are performing best, and even how payouts compare over time. With these insights, you can easily adjust your marketing efforts or incentive structures to ensure maximum performance. Another key feature is the ability to track performance by partner tiers. PartnerStack's Partner Dashboard lets you see how different tiers of affiliates are performing, which is a great way to understand where your best partners lie and how to better incentivize them. This helps you identify high-value affiliates and ensure you're supporting them with the right resources to drive further growth. Finally, if you're ever unsure about the data or how to interpret it, PartnerStack offers robust customer support. You can reach out to their team for help, and they'll guide you through how to use the reporting tools and understand the data you're seeing. I want to mention that you can try PartnerStack completely free right now. Simply click the first link in the description below to access an exclusive offer that gives you extended free trial access with added bonuses. Don't miss out on this chance to start using one of the best affiliate marketing platforms out there. So now that you've seen how easy it is to use PartnerStack's Partner Dashboard for reporting, take advantage of the free trial and see how this tool can help you grow your affiliate program. And don't forget, this exclusive offer is available only through the link below, so grab it while you can. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful software tutorials.